Hello, namaste and sat sri akal guys. Welcome to Bookish MB. My name is Mahima, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then let me inform you that in this channel I make only bookish content. So if you like my videos, I would request you to please consider subscribing to this channel. And if you also want to have some more bookish content updates and as well as non-bookish content updates, then you can follow me on my Instagram handle that is given right there. So without wasting any further time, let's just get straight to the topic of today. In this video, I am going to unbox the book set of Jane Austen that I showed you guys previously in my video. If you remember, I ordered the book set, but to my surprise, the box was broken, so I ordered a replacement of that and I got it finally. Apart from that, I also have got one more book from Flipkart because I got a great deal. So yeah, that's why. So let's just begin the unboxing of the Jane Austen book set. Okay, this looks quite fine, but it's a bit damaged. That's okay for me, I don't mind. Now moving on, I got the 5 books. The very first is Mansfield Park. The next one is Persuasion. Then the third is Sense and Sensibility. The fourth is Emma. And fifth one is Pride and Prejudice. I have already read this book previously, but this was in the set, so I couldn't do anything. There wasn't any or other offer that you can replace this book with this book or something like that, so I just got this set for myself. The books are very fine. The pages are also good. Yeah, the quality of the pages is good. The text is a bit small, but you can go for it. And moving on to the next parcel, that is from Flipkart. I'm going to unbox it. I haven't opened it, so let's just see. We have it. The book, hey, yay, yippee. I was waiting for this book since a long time. It was for around 500 rupees on Amazon as well as on Flipkart, but to my surprise, I got this book recently for just rupees 300 and I'm super excited for this book. I've heard a lot about this book from my friends and finally I'm going to read this book. Also, I want to tell you that this book has a movie adaptation. You can also watch it if you want. I'll prefer reading the book, so I'll first read the book and then if I want, I'll go for the movie. So yeah, these were the books that I got recently. Yeah, this is the book set, the book leaf, and a little update I want to give you guys. I am reading this book, A Little Life. This is such a wonderful book. Like I have no words. I'm right now on page 100 and I'll be progressing a bit slowly because I'm liking this book a lot. Yeah, I hope you all are having great time and you are safe at your homes. Please take care and also like this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you.